Another premium van. 2023 Toyota Sienna XLE Plus, wind chill pearl with 2,000 original miles. 2,800 to be exact. This is like a brand new van. You can save a ton buying this van. It is a XLE premium hybrid. Braunability, we are a Braunability certified dealer. We do sell new and used handicap wheelchair conversion vans, any specialty vans. That's what we do. Been in business 47 years. This is what we do. Only 5-star reviews. We have the best vans in the world, best service department in the world. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. 2023 Toyota Sienna in wind chill pearl. Gorgeous, white, gray leather, fully loaded out. Belong to a good client of ours. Laser straight down the sides. As you can see, give us a call anytime. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Happy to help at any time. This is an XT fold-out conversion. XT fold-out conversion. So this is a fold-out ramp. I'll show you how everything works. Got your Q-string tie downs. Does have a passenger side easy lock, as you can see under the seat there. Basically a brand new van. You will save a ton buying this one. We just sold the same van for about $25,000 more than this one will be sold for. We bought it right, we can sell it right. 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken, text or call. This van is fully under warranty. You got the Braun warranty. You have the manufacturer warranty still in effect. As you can see, this is a Braunability fold-out ramp. Got the fully loaded leather. Got the leg rest in the back. Mostly not used at all. 2,000 miles. I mean, the thing is like brand new. Runs and drives like a brand new van. 2871 on the miles. Got your phone charger. We got all the original stickers, paperwork, everything that goes with this. So you're buying basically a brand new van here. It's got 2 keys, and even the new Braunabilities don't come with 2 keys. So got all your original stickers. Everything is here, goes with it. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. You have any questions or concerns? We're happy to help at any time. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Got dual doors. I mean, this thing's loaded. This will be a fantastic deal for someone. Fully loaded out. 2023. Got your sunroof. I mean, XLE premium. Show you how the ramp works, of course. Two keys. Definitely a bonus because you can't get 2 keys anymore with the new one. You have to order an extra, so that is a bonus on this bad boy. (954-561-2499). Gorgeous 2023 Toyota Sienna Braunability XT fold-out handicap wheelchair conversion. Also does have a kneel-down function. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. Ask for Jeff or Ken. You know where to find us. Best vans in the world. Thank you.